Yo, my boys, we are live, boys. What's up with y'all boys today, man? What's up with y'all boys today, man? How you boys feeling? Yo, my boys, we. Yo, let's go, man.
Oh, did you cry when I found you in the night? Staying up till 5 a.m. Told me you and him were friends. Woke up in a burning home. Blame myself, I should have known. Destined a place, sealed our fate, buried in the catacombs. Setting fire to the life we made. Such a fucking waste of time. Said you love me till my heart decays. Guess my darling changed her mind. Talks my heart online.
Shoot. Alright, boys. Alright, y'all boys, man. Yo, I got sweaty from that. Okay. Ooh. Alright, y'all boys, bro. So today we got Codeforces round 1103, Div 3. So we got 33 minutes until it starts. So yo, oh shoot, my boy Code Raw. Hey, thanks bro. Yo, my boy Code Raw, how you been, man? Long time no talk, bro. How you been? What's up, Yusuf? What's up with y'all boys, man? What's up with y'all? Okay, so we got 33 minutes until the contest start. So I'ma be warming up with some of these problems right here. Okay, I didn't open this. Open this hole. Okay. Alright, bro. So yeah, let's start with some of these. So yesterday I did this one. So now it's time for this one. Okay. So I'm just gonna get this, then I'm gonna make an array. I'm gonna take in all the values. Okay. And then so I want to check if it's sorted. Okay, so I'm gonna run a loop from I is 1 till like n, I guess, and I'm gonna check if. So we're gonna say bool sorted is false, is true, and then if not, array of I minus 1 less than equal to array of I, then I'm gonna say that sorted is false I'm gonna break, and then if sorted, we're gonna see out array is sorted, else we're gonna see out array is not sorted. Okay, something like that. Something like that. Okay, so let's try this out. So we got 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's try 5 again. 1, 5, 2, 3, 4 or something. Okay, so with this we're gonna get rid of that. So I'm gonna do 5 again. 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, and one more. Let's do one more, which is not sorted. So 0, 3, 4, 5 or something. Okay. Okay. That one's done and dusted. That one's done and dusted. How you boys doing though? How you boys doing? Remove duplicates. Okay. For this, I'ma just use a set, like from sorted array. I'm just gonna use a set for this one. I mean, pretty sure we can just also like run 2 for loops or something, but I think I'm gonna use a set instead. So we still got these. We still got the scene and everything. Then I'm gonna make a set of unique or something, and then I'm pretty sure that just a sec, pretty sure that you insert like this, pretty sure, and then we're just gonna move duplicates from sorted array. Okay, so we actually gotta I'm pretty sure we gotta mutate the array itself. So then I'm gonna do array clear, and then I'm gonna just for each in the set, I'm just gonna do array. I'm just gonna push the unique ones, and then let's see if this works. So then we're just gonna see out all the elements. Okay. Okay, checking if the audio's good. Okay, so we got, oops, not here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 and 3. So 7 and 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, 4. Okay, so we did get it, so it does work. Yeah, we basically just use the set, so the set keeps the elements in sorted order. So even if we say something like 2, 2, 1, 1, 3, 4, 4, the set should sort it. Yeah, so the set keeps the elements in sorted order. Okay, what the heck? Okay, what the hecky? Alright, y'all. So that's it for that one, I guess. Yeah, so we get the input, right? Then we make the set. The set is gonna keep them unique. So it's gonna keep only one element. It's not gonna insert another one. And then we just clear the array. So we clear the array so it becomes empty. Then we just push all the elements inside the array, which is now empty, and they're all unique now. And then we just see out the result. Okay. Okay. Move all zeros to end. Okay, this one is okay. For this one, I'm gonna use, so we're gonna modify the original. So just array delete C++. So actually vector or whatever. Yeah, erase. With that being plus 2, 0, 1, 2. Okay. So this is not the most optimal way, but it works for our case. So we got okay. So we got wait a sec. Okay, so for is an n, we're gonna say if it is equal to 0, we're gonna go with that erase begin plus I, and then not push back, and that should be it. And then we'll see. We'll say I have before, then we're gonna just see how it is like that, and then after the zeros are moved to the end, I'm just gonna see out it again. Oops, wait up. Gotta specify this. Okay, there we go. Okay. $27. Okay, so what we got 0, 1, 0, 3, 12. So that's 5 elements. 0, 1, 0, 3, 12. Okay, there we go. Okay, y'all. My bad. Okay. Find missing number. Find missing number. So, okay, so for this one, so we're gonna have 4 elements, but I guess it's gonna be n plus 1 then. So I'm gonna say full len or something is gonna be n plus 1. So for I gets 1, I less than full len, we're gonna go through each one of the array, right? And then if show less than equal to, and if mm, 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 wait, we just got a missing. Keep going, mate. Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. Keep going, mate. Thanks, bro. Crazy bird, keep going. I appreciate you, man. Appreciate y'all, boys, man. Hey, much love, G. Much love. Appreciate y'all, boys, man. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you. Mm, so I think you know what? There's a function for this too. So guess what? Distance sorting. Search for element 6, 0, and 3. So it's gonna. I think it's gonna be. Again, search after blah blah blah. And the value is found returns an iterator, so it returns the end. Yeah. Returns its position, returns the end. Yeah. So if find find out this of I equal to dot end, it's gonna see out I, and I'm gonna break. I think that's it. One, two, three, 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay. Okay. Yo, appreciate y'all boys for subscribing, man. I appreciate y'all boys. Appreciate y'all boys for subscribing. Okay, we got 16 minutes till start. So during the contest, I won't be reading chat. I'm gonna close chat. I'm gonna close everything during the contest. So yeah. Okay. So we got strings now. Okay. So we got strings now. Count values. Presence of length. Hold up, let me just check. String length. Okay, so we gotta call it with braces. Okay, so if s of I is or so I is E or s of I is U or or s of I is Y or s of I is O or something like that. Appreciate y'all boys, man. Appreciate y'all boys, man. Appreciate the support. Okay, so that, oh no, I missed I, or s of I is equal to I over rows. When function is about. Okay, so I got them all here. A, I, O, U, and Y. And so we're just gonna keep the ends, and we're just gonna increment. We're gonna just see out the ends. Okay. Okay, we got 12 minutes. So we're gonna have hello. Let's try hello world. Okay, what the hecky? Huh? Okay, I messed something up then. Oh wait. Okay, it's because this is count vowels. Because I need to use get line. Get line CNS. Okay, so now it should work for both single words and multiple words as well. There we go. Okay. And it's never gonna give you up. Okay, I'm not gonna count that. Should work. Okay. Reverse. I mean, with a string, it's basically kind of an array, so we can just do reverse as a begin, as that end. But I'm gonna do the other method too. It's gonna be something like before and something like this, and then something like after, something like that. Okay, get hello. Okay, now it's hello world. Okay. So that is, yo, the Alchemist. Welcome back, man. Welcome back. What's up, bro? What's up? Welcome back, bro. How you been, man? What's up, G? What's up, G? Okay, so 10 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minutos. 8 minutos. Okay. Okay. So, oh yeah, I was gonna do it with the other way as well. So we're gonna to do it the other way. I mean, wait a sec. I could just keep 2 pointers. I could just keep 2 pointers. 2 pointers. So it is the length minus 1. Okay, I'm gonna do it this way, and I'm gonna also do it there's another way to do it as well. So I'm gonna do it like that as well. Okay, I'm gonna swap this out L and so R. I'm gonna, yeah. Okay, so okay, and that also works. And then we're gonna do, pretty sure for then now we're gonna start from the last index, and then we're gonna just see out like that. This is we're gonna have to do something like this. So the other two methods, they actually reverse the string in place, but this one doesn't. This one keeps it. This one keeps it as it is. So it just prints. It just prints the string in reverse. It doesn't actually modify it like the other two ones. This one doesn't modify the string like the other two ones. And we're not gonna put any spaces because we're printing characters. Because if we do put spaces, then so this has to be a survivor. And if we do put spaces, it's gonna be so it's gonna be in spaces. If we do put spaces, we obviously get spaces. So that's why we're not gonna put any spaces. We're just going to keep it as it is. Let's try 3. There we go. And you have to use get line when there's more than one word, otherwise it won't receive it from input. Okay, we got like 7 minutes. Oh damn, even 6 minutes. Okay. Okay, y'all. Is anybody gonna participate in this contest? Is anybody in chat gonna participate in the contest? Check if palindrome. Okay, this one's It was easy. Count character frequency. Okay. So we're gonna keep. Okay, let's do just one word for this, for simplicity's sake. Okay, and we're just gonna use the regular approach, which is with 2 pointers, left and right, and we're just, yeah. So we want, okay, so I'm gonna have boys palindrome initially true, and then if this of L does not equal of R, we're gonna say is palindrome is false, and we're gonna break. Else we're just gonna do null S plus plus and R minus minus, and then if this palindrome, we're gonna see out palindrome. Else we're gonna see out not palindrome or whatever, however you say it. Kind of rolls off the tongue. Rolls off the tongue. Like see if I've ever thought in this is or something. Okay, we got 3 minutes 40 seconds. 3 minutes 40 seconds. 26,000 registered. That's not that many actually. Not that many. Race car. Okay. Race car or something. Okay, then let's try. Oops, what the hecky? Let's try. This is gonna be a palindrome, and this is not. This is not. Okay then. Okay, 2 minutes. So I'm gonna solve this one real quickly. Okay, so character frequencies. I'm just gonna use a map for this one. Obviously, I'm just gonna. Okay, this one's actually really quick. I'm just gonna count it, and then for just gonna like this maybe. Okay, how does the output look? Okay, and then dot second. Okay. Okay, this has to be S. And we got banana. Banana. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 2. Find the first non-repeating character. Okay, y'all. So, it is like what 1 minute. Can someone tell me best line for DSA and lead code? I mean, there is no best language. You just have to pick one. There is no best language. I mean, you can use Python, Python, you can use C++, you can use Java, you can use whatever you want, man. There is no best. There is no best language, man. I mean, what I would recommend is C++, but that's me. Okay, guys, so 20 seconds until start. I'm gonna be closing all the chats. I'm closing all of the chats. Good luck to anybody who is also participating. So I'm gonna close all the chats, clear my code here. And we're starting in 11 seconds. So, ocho, cuatro, cinco. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. That's funky. There's equal. Ask if it's just possible to finish the game. The crucifixion will come. So they picked two right there. So you pick two here. So pick two, so that's no wait. Two. Okay, so then he picked three. Then he picked two. Wait a sec. So first he picked three, then he picked two, then he picked two, then he picked two again. when the heights of all towers equal. No interest in the most children enter K. Mr. X of I must. Okay, so it must be less than equal to K. So each of these must be less equal to K. So that's what. So try to help him find some more K. Which is possible to finish the game. Okay, so I want them to be equal. Okay, so basically 2 again is gonna be. Okay, so this case is because we try to get a single integer in. The second one, there's an integer, so that's the real K. Which just is a percent, and you know that case is possible. Some containers have equal height. So that. There's the present and tars from them. Okay. Value of K. So it is possible to make all towers have equal height. It's possible to make all towers have equal height. So we got 2 and 3. So what they would each and so must choose an integer xi for each tower height and increase its height by x by exactly once. So exactly once. After increasing by the height of the towers equal to minigame, which is in the just okay. Each x so I'm satisfied. Let's go for just about to finish the game. Smallest. They can choose. Okay, what I don't know is how many times we increase. Do we increase once? I'm wondering. Do we increase once or what? That's 5, 7, 9, 11, 12. Do I increase all of them or do I increase? So let's student teacher. Increase by the ones. X of I. So is this just from 1 to whatever, like what? And where's must satisfy help events? It is possible to finish the game. Okay, I'm missing something. The minimum such that it's possible. So 6 here. That was the true again restriction. Satisfy. The restriction checks out and says exactly once. Eight. Exactly once. That goes to make the heights of all towers equal, but if you increase this by 3 exactly once, oh wait, and increase down and increase the time. To increase the inch will become. Okay, so we choose. I guess we choose just the smallest from here or something. Hmm. 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 I think I'm understanding. You can action. Fine. Here's the game. Increasing edge will become. So add not turn. To eight. Come over 14. H. Wait, so X is an array where we're not getting any X array. What the heck? We're only getting 2228. Now what the hecky? Content is okay, but where is the X then? Return application to become that's all times equal integer restriction satisfy. We'll find the smallest X. Okay. Let's go for which is about fish. Okay. Add a restriction. Dun, 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 dun. So I saw finish the game. What is skip? Doing better. Just because I put it. What is XLI, bro? There is no second array. Where do I get this from? Where do I get this from? So I translate back. So back of an empty number of cubes. He built enters from them. Vector has hideout check cubes. Check cubes. Okay, I get that. You are understanding integer x for each tower, right? Because sub x I sub once. For example, 3228. Why do we choose these numbers? 28. Increasing h will become so we choose one of these. We choose one of these. We choose one of these, and then we increase the height of each tower exactly once. After increasing, it will become the heights of all towers equal. They want to make the height of all towers equal. 8, that's gonna be 9, that's gonna be 10, it's gonna be 10, it's gonna be 11, so it's not equal. Does that mean I can pick one of these only once and then maybe not choose any other ones? Maybe not choose it again, is that what it means? What does exactly mean? Just let's choose XRMS says. Trying to find some schedule for first again. So I got, I mean, this is just the numbers, bro, in the array, so. So, okay, so it's possible to make. That's how we go high. Okay, wait. Actually, let's equal to k. When equal to 1, let's equal to k. So that's the minimum value of k such that it's possible to make out there. So maybe this is actually 2, right? And then 3. What about this? Is it 4? What is it? 3. 4 is 6. 4 is 10. 4 is 8. 6, 10, 8, then 4 is 10. 4 is 14. 4 is 12. That's 14. 18, 16. No. Acorn. Each time, because it's higher by x, I. Interesting approach students are non-restriction. Dude, what I don't understand is how do I get this? Like, where do I get this from? Where the heck does this come from, bro? Where does this XLI come from? Like, what the heck? You want you double it or something? No. And why do we choose for? Why do we choose 3 first, then 2, then 2, then 2 again? Like, what? How do we? No, we choose 8 here. Here we choose 8. Here we choose 2. Here we choose 2 again. And then we choose 3. Okay, so it seems actually we just these match. Okay, exactly once. So we got it. Seems we gotta put the integer at the same position, right? So it seems. So 8 and 2 is 10. 2 and 2 is 4. 2 and 3 is 2 and 3 is 5, and 21 is 4. So we can do this exactly once. X of I exactly once. So we can do this only, so we can choose each one exactly once. To make the game, we also choose insert K and a restriction. It's possible to finish the game. Does this mean we have to add to all of them? Because if we add, is that 2? Then it's like, oh, why 5 here? So we add together h of I and x of I. So I think I must be the same and can only add each node from x only once. I think. At least I think that's it, but okay, what I don't know is how the heck do I get this? How do I get x? I don't know how to get x. choose blah blah blah. Again, a restriction each x I must satisfy. Dun, 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 dun. X of I. So I, X of I, X of I, X of I. Okay, so we got so each k must be less than or equal to must be the shitty thing is that we don't get the example from. We don't have the example for the statement. We have some other examples. One. Okay, here's one because somebody could keep 1 1 1. It's just 4 4 4 4. I mean, this one I get, but I don't get. This one I don't get. Do I get this? 6 10 12 12 7. Hmm. Two two. Access 2 2 2 8. Sequence should count 4 5 4 10. Not to move that. Does equal. So I'm choosing to start and increase its hand by. But it has to be pretty easy. I just don't see what I'm supposed to do exactly. Okay, so we do get this x, but where do we get this x from? Institution K and institution X, I must satisfy. Let's ask if it is possible to finish the game. The smallest K, that means there's a couple Ks, right? That means there's a couple Ks, so there's gonna be a couple exabytes as well. So here it would be 2, 2, 6, and it's 8, 8 3. No, it's 1, 1. That's 5. So 1 and 1, that's 5. And then 1, wait a second. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, no, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That's 5. 4. That's another 1. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. No. No. Wait. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 6. That's 6. So it's not. 1, 2. Mm, hmm. Mm, mm, 6. So don't just 1, 2. That's no 1. That's 6. 2. That's 6, 3. 3, and then 1 to 3. It's gonna be 4 then. It's gonna be 4, and then it's gonna be 2 more. So that's it's not that. Go 4, 5, 4, 10. Um. Hmm. So I do choose this then. So x of I can be less than k, but it can also be equal to k. So like, what the hecky? And I still haven't, and I still need to figure out how I get these even. How do I get the x array? So obviously the h array is just the input, but how do I get the x array? Right now I don't know how to get the x array. What am I missing? I'm missing something. Mm, All right, y'all. I don't have any more time. I don't have any more time to devote to this contest because I got other stuff to do. But that's gonna be it for today, man. Thank you guys so much for to everybody who joined. Thanks to all the new subscribers. Thanks to everybody who subscribed, who joined, who liked. Appreciate y'all boys, man. Appreciate y'all boys. And I'll see y'all tomorrow and another day, another W. See ya. Peace out.